The question has been asked a lot, I think especially because, again, hedge funds are the entities we love to hate sometimes, whether the hedge funds had much to do with the financial crisis. It's very difficult to say whether they did or not. And I think the balance of evidence suggests that it's unlikely they had much to do with it. The problems are legendary here. Because hedge funds are not required to register and because their activities are opaque, that is non-transparent, we really have no idea what they did during the crisis. We also do know, however, that the average leverage that a hedge fund had was considerably less than the banks, the big banks that were definitely tied into this, probably on average 1/6 the leverage. Now, the hedge funds have borrowed from the banks, so some of the debts on the books of the banks may be bad hedge funds debts. One of the problems right now is we don't know precisely what's on, as I speak in 2009, we don't know what is on the books precisely of the banks. It's been argued that also hedge funds may have contributed by a kind of piling on copycat set of strategies that tended to roil certain parts of the financial system. But again, I think those claims are hard to make. You can even argue that hedge funds may have helped in the financial crisis in the sense that they did offer liquidity in contexts where it wouldn't otherwise have existed.